Is your Lexus ES screen going black when you plug in for Apple CarPlay? Over 80% of these black screen issues are caused by nothing more than a faulty data cable. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by inspecting your cable, clearing your phone from the car's registry, and forcing a system reboot. These three factors are the most frequent causes for black screen errors on the Lexus interface. If the basics fail, verify your iPhone's screen time restrictions and Siri settings. Most issues are solvable at home, but hardware failures will require a professional inspection. As you can see, a simple cable swap solves the vast majority of these connectivity problems. For persistent glitches, pulling the multimedia fuse for 1 minute can force a hard system reset. Always keep a high-quality MFI certified cable in your glove box to prevent these issues from recurring. Remember, if the problem is intermittent, the cable is almost certainly the culprit. Try these steps and let us know in the comments if your screen is back to normal.